welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I curl my hair in under 5 minutes. This is so quick, but before I get started, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So this one's really easy. The first thing you're going to do is just put your hair in 2 ponytails, and this bit doesn't really have to be that perfect. You can see I didn't do a perfect split or anything. Then all you're going to do is start with 1 ponytail. After putting in 2 ponytails, start with 1, get your curler or whatever you use best, and I was doing a tic-toc in between. But you just want to get your hair and just curl each ponytail. Just do 3 or 4 curls on each side, depending how thick or how long your hair is. And this literally took me, I think, like 4 minutes to film all together. So that's why the videos edit down so short, just to get a quick video so you can have a quick scoop of how to do it really fast. And yeah, also I got this new dress in River Island, which I really liked. It was super cheap as well. They have loads of sales on. So yeah, I just curled each side the same. Each side was away from my face. That's a big point for me. And you can have the ponytail higher or lower depending on how much you want it curled. Use a smaller curler to have smaller curls, whichever you like. So then I used some hairspray, and again I was TikToking, so I just used some hairspray to just brush out all the hair, take it out of the ponytail, and that was easy. It was really easily done, super quick, and there you go, you're ready for the day. It takes no time at all. Of course your hair should be washed or blow dried or like smoothened, so that when you do curl and take it out it's a lot easier. But this is really quick and really simple to do. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.